G'day guys, hi, how are you? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment. This time I was going to add this video in amongst my next video that I'm filming. So he's going to have to wait to see that one. It just went a little longer than I thought, so it's a video on its own. I received a product in the mail that I ordered, and I'm pretty excited about this product. So figured I have to film it, show you what it is, put this product out there on the market because, mate, this should have been done years ago. I reached out to the guy. I said to him, "Do you mind if I film it and all that sort of stuff?" He says, "Mate, go for your life." Great bloke too. So anyway, so here it is. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. In the mail today was a little package, and I'm quite excited to show you about this one because I saw this on that custom resto dude, the bald-headed guy. Custom Ian Rochelle Customs something. I know it, I just can't think of it right now because I'm trying to talk to you guys. Anyway, yeah, he put me onto these. They're Australian made. I reached out to the guy. Bloody lovely bloke. Mate, I was expecting for him to not want to have a bar of soap with me. But we sat there. Oh, we didn't sit there at all. We were on the phone for about 10, maybe 15 minutes. Somewhere around that time anyway. And we just had a good old yarn. And yeah, I said, "Oh, do you mind if I promote these for you?" And he goes, "Go for your life, mate. Do what you want to do." Anyway, we'll get a candy cal cutter to cut this open. And I'll show you what I've got in here. Okay, so I couldn't find candy cal cutter. So I got his cousin Cali cal cutter. Same bloody thing, really. Alright, let's oh, first off, it's this guy is that original and that Aussie. He doesn't even pay for packaging. He made this box himself. I'm not going to kid you. Not sure where I am here, but I've masking taped up our names and stuff. But that was definitely, where are we? It was definitely posted. This ain't no bullshit. This is happening. Really started hooking into that without even hitting record. Lucky. Alright, there we go. Got our Cali Cal Kenny cutter. Johnny. Whatever you want to call him. The old slicey. Oh. Hey. What's in the box? What's in the box? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. That was definitely not planned. Look at that. Come out perfect. I should be the dude on bloody Bert Newton's commercials or something. Or Newt Burton, whatever his name was. Anyway, so yeah. That's what I'm happy to see. EYEMUFFS. Alright. Before I open it, I'm going to get this in a bit closer and we'll go around the box. Nicely packaged too. Okay, so here we have our box. It's got some, oh, I didn't even look at the sides. Okay, it's probably got a few more products. I'm looking at it just as you are right now. And I got the orange ones. Yeah, so anyway, scribble on the back. Let's read out what that scribble has to say. So, here we are. Features. All in one, you can't lose. You just can't lose. Stylish, lightweight design, built tough. Incredible safety lenses, hard hat or brimmed hat compatible, designed so that both eye and ear protection can be worn at the same time without causing discomfort, for 100% ear cup seal. One size fits all. Maintenance. Cushion and safety lens should be wiped each day, so make sure you look after your products. Don't blame it on him if you're not looking after them. Wash cushion foam. Sorry, I'm struggling here. Wash cushions, foam liners, and safety lens with warm soapy water. Examine product frequently and replace lens frequently. Note, pay attention. Store in a cool, dry place out of direct sunlight. You don't want to put them on the roof of your car or anywhere like that. Okay. Oh, hang on. It's about to be bark o'clock. Shut up, dogs. Right. Performance and attenuation, I think that word is. Dogs! Sorry about that. You really got me right on bark o'clock. Anyway. Hearing protected glass 5 tested to Australian standards, New Zealand standards 1270 when selected. Used and maintained as specified in Australian and New Zealand 1269.3. This protector may be used in noise up to 110 decibels, assuming in a 85 decibel. Oh, I'm gonna have to put this up on the lens because I can't read too well and I'm struggling a bit here. Creatons, I think it is. A lower creaton may require a higher protected glass. Which I'm sure if you need a higher protected glass, you can probably reach out to George and he'll I think he'll sort that out. Anyway, it's a few instructions and some warnings and stuff. Warning. Always wear eye protection and ear protection while using this product. Just kidding you. It is eye protection and ear protection. Alright, so here we are. We're about to open her up. Before I do that, I might mention some of this stuff that's spread on the side. So we've got EYEMUFFS G6. Does it say that on the front? Oh, it does actually. That's how much I know about this product. The EYEMUFFS Advantage. Lens flick up and down in one quick motion. That's nice. Safety lens fits over glasses. So if you're wearing readers or you're just blind, need glasses anyway. No head stop. Hard hat attachable. Okay, we'll try that out later. I've got a hard hat there. It's an old one. Earmuffs and safety lens are one. You can't lose them. I'm putting one down and looking for the other. They're attached. You're getting them both. Okay. Safety lens can be worn separately via head stop. No. We'll have to check that feature out. On the other side. Anyway, that's just what I read there. On the side, EYEMUFFS 6. Whenever you are tinkering or a tradesman, earmuffs have you covered. Yeah, okay, they got me covered. Is as you say. I'm more of a tinker. When I get out here and as a fill in the shed, so these are some videos I've filmed making these guys. I guess also I'm a tradesman. Well, that's what they labelled me anyway. So anyway, so yeah, it covers me all year round. Alright, they're gone. Okay, so what else we got here? Tradesman, all conditions. Also available 3 different interchangeable lens types. Clear for indoor, amber, clarity in cloudy conditions, or tinted, outdoor and extreme bright light. Mate, can't go wrong with these. I'm still not sure what I got in the box. I'm going to go out and say I only got clear, but let's check it out, eh? Alright, so it's time to unbox it, so let's get into it and see what we got. And by the way, I will leave a link in the description down below, I think. That's how you say it. Pretty sure I've worked out how to do it, but anyway, let's open her up, see what we got. Thing is, you guys get to see it before I do. Oh, that's nice. Okay, there's nothing left in there. Wow, that is nice. Hey, you don't get that from Bunnings. Oh, it's imprinted as well. As I said, you guys see it before I do. Wow. Mate, I am genuinely impressed. And I swear to you, I have not opened this box. As you see it is how I see it. So trying to make the video a bit better by being original. Oh, yep. Unzips. Oh, sorry. You guys get to see it first. Ta-da! Ooh. Wow. They are nice. That's better than what I thought I was getting. They're impressive. I'm lost for words. I've got to read some instructions and remember how to explain to you how this goes. I'm just blown away. I'm happy with it. And yeah, lost for words, as I said. So let me play with it and I'll get back to you. And again, wow. I'm impressed. Again, guys, so super happy with the product. I've got my glasses on just to prove that it works. And also, I might have grabbed them the wrong way earlier. But finger and thumb there. Doesn't matter what finger you use, I guess. I'm comfortable using them ones. Thumbs there. Open them up like that way. Make sure top is at top. We'll slip them over my glasses. Comfortable as. Again, I don't even know. I wouldn't even know my glasses are on. They're there, but do not interfere with it at all. Definitely a great product. Recommend you go get yourself some. Good quality head, eye protection, ear protection, good quality packaging. Mate, what more could you ask for? There you go, guys. Once again, a great little Aussie invention. EYEMUFFS. 2 in 1. No, why did we wait so long for this? The best product I've seen in years. Anyway, I'm a little upset I didn't come up with the idea. But anyway, good on you, George. You done well. I'll leave a link down in the description. Again, as I said, I wasn't paid to do this. I just wanted to do it because I saw him on that metal fabrication dude, bald-headed Ian dude's show, and thought, hell yeah, that's smart thinking. So I wanted to get some and check them out, and so I did. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Oh, and by the way, guys, don't forget to let him know that I sent you the Fool in the Shed at Shenanigans. Cheers.